course, the camera's not quite in the right position, is it? So we've got this Uniden 200, which is as new in a box from an end user, and there's something really in the way, isn't there? Is at the edge of the table? It probably is. Anyway, hopefully you can see enough of it. So I've just done the 4 capacitors, which are vital, and it's now doing full 4 watts output, which is fantastic. And here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Roger that, off we go.
10-4.
Right, we have already passed the house and now passing doggy daycare.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we've already passed
High,
doggy daycare
low,
and the passing place.
high.
We're now about to pass the other passing place as we go towards the end of the lane.
Roger, that's fine.
Roger. Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Got you at the end of the lane.
Service station 157.9 and 191.9.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Let's go to the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner.
Got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner.
Got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Uniden Uniace 200 from 1981. He's doing a full 4 watt output and I'm on the standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. level crossing.
Signs look askew as if somebody's run into them.
Oh yeah.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Uniden Uniace 200 from 1981. Standard replacement mic. The radio's doing full force output and drawing a very modest 918 milliamp. We're going at the low power, it's set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, 350 milliamp consumption to the 400 milliwatts output. Go back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, Roger that, no problem on full power. Had to override the squash on low power, but you were fairly readable.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 157.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that works great, thank you very much, and better.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end, please, over?
Yep, 157.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that worked great, thank you very much, and 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, there we are, that's splendid. I'm going to go through the base station, and then we'll go on with the factory original. These are a bit bassy. I will think you'll find that our standard replacement mic is far better sounding than the factory original. Or it might be in my imagination. Right, here we go.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to low power home test. There we are, testing 1, 2, 3. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Tomorrow we've got a Harrier CB, which has had a splendidly done front done by Vintage, late Vintage Electronics for us. So thanks for watching, Uniden.